Because in the process, when the cameras and the lights go off, homie, I still work in the community. Um, now, I do less, but I do more. Uh,
What do you mean by that?
uh, I'm not in the community every day, uh, but my presence is. Uh, I'm accessible.
Yeah.
Anybody from the community can call me directly uh, and get some help. Uh, I regularly uh, uh, engage our local politics. Uh, Now I travel from state to state, city to city, and I'm building uh, other community partnerships uh, where we can share resources.
Yeah.
We can help create